Hello everyone, here I am going to solve another problem on the marginal costing. First let us go through the problem. From the following details ascertain profit, break-even sales and margin of safety. So particulars what are they have given is fixed cost is 5 lakh, variable cost is rupees 10 per unit and selling price is 15 per unit and output is 1,75,000 units. So with these informations we are supposed to calculate the break-even sales, margin of safety and the profit. First let us start with the calculation of a profit. So to calculate the profit, first let's take the sales, which is how much? 26,25,000. How it is means they have given the per unit information, which is 15 per unit. If we convert into the total amount of total output, means 15 into 1,75,000, we will get how much? 26,25,000, right? And then similarly variable cost also they have given the information for 1 unit. So for 1 unit it have taken 10 rupees. So if you multiply it with the total output, means 10 into 1,75,000, it will be 17,50,000 we will get. So by deducting the variable cost with the sales, we will get the contribution. So 15 minus 10, it is 5 is the contribution of units, and 26,25,000 minus 17,50,000, it will be 8,75,000. It is the total amount of contribution is how much? 5 lakhs rupees. Sorry, it is contribution of how much? 8,75,000. So in 8,75,000, let us deduct the fixed cost. Fixed cost, what amount they have given here? It is 5 lakh. So 8,75,000 minus 5 lakh, it will be 3,75,000, right? So next let us start the calculation of a PV ratio. To calculate the PV ratio, we got the formula like the contribution divided by sales into 100. So what is the contribution? Already we have calculated over here. It is 8,75,000, right? So 8,75,000 divided by 26,25,000 is the sales. So if we calculate that, we will get the amount how much? 33.333. Let me show. 8,75,000 divided by 26,25,000 into 100 means we will get 33.333. So we have taken only 2 decimals over here. So next let us calculate the break-even sales. To calculate the break-even sales, we got the formula like fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So here fixed cost is how much? 5 lakh. Already we have seen it is 5 lakh that we have taken, divided by PV ratio, which is 33.333. So let me show you. 5 lakh divided by 33.33 percentage, it will be, see here, 15 lakh 150.015 it will be, right? So let me take the full decimal points, then let's see what will be the answer. So 5 lakh divided by 33.33333, whatever we got, which is percentage here, 15 lakh we will get completely, 15 lakh 0.00015 we will get. So ultimately the answer will be 15 lakh only. So let us calculate with the another formula also. Fixed cost into sales divided by contribution. What is the fixed cost over here? 5 lakh, and the sales is 26,25,000 divided by the contribution is 8,75,000. So here let us calculate that also. Let me show, like 5 lakh divided by 8,75,000, it will be how much? This much we will get, 0.5714 something into 26,25,000. If we do, we will get 14,99,999.999. So ultimately if you take the round figure, it will be 15 lakh only that we have taken, right? And next let us calculate the break-even sales for units. So what is the formula? Break-even sales divided by selling price per unit. What is the break-even sales? Already we have calculated, which is 15 lakh that we have taken, divided by 15. 15 lakh divided by 15, it will be divided by 15, it will be 1 lakh units we have taken, right? So next, let us calculate the calculation of margin of safety. To calculate the margin of safety, we got the formula like the total profit divided by PV ratio. Total profit already we have calculated, which is 3,75,000, right? So here 3,75,000 divided by 33.333. So here also, if you have taken the complete decimal, you will get this figure 11,25,000. Sorry, 11,25,000. Otherwise, you will get 11,25,113. So depending upon the decimals, the answer little bit answer is going to little bit vary, right? So here 3,75,000 divided by 33.33, it will be 11,25,113 we will get. So similarly with the another formula, which is total sales minus break-even sales. Total sales is 26,25,000 minus break-even sales is 15 lakh. Already we have calculated the break-even sales in a previous page. So the amount will be 11,25,000 only, right? And then let us calculate the margin of safety per unit also. To calculate the margin of safety per unit, the formula is like this: total profit divided by contribution per unit. Total profit was 3,75,000 divided by the contribution per unit. Contribution per unit already we have calculated here, that we have taken, and so here the contribution per total profit is 3,75,000. 3,75,000 divided by 5, you will get 75,000 units. Similarly with the another formula also, total sales minus break-even sales. Total sales is how much? 1,75,000 units. Here we are not supposed to take the amount, concentrate. Here we are supposed to take the units only, because we are going to calculate what? The units, right? 1,75,000 minus 1 lakh rupees, which is 1 lakh, which is the break-even sales units. So here we will get the 75,000 only. So here in the margin of safety as well as break-even sales, we need not to calculate with both the formula. Any one of the formula you can follow. So for your information, I have shown you with both the formulas.